Hey, welcome to Lakeside Tarot. My name is Tara. Thank you for joining me for today's reading. This reading is going to be for the collective. It may or may not resonate with you. Please use your own discernment to decide what is and what is not for you. Today is February 11th. It is Tuesday. We're going to go ahead and hop right in, see what's going on in the collective energy. We got cards flying out already. First card out, pause, timing factor. All right. Whoa. Desire, lust, sexual chemistry. And we've got pop-up, spontaneous, unexpected, surprise visit. Bottom of the deck here, rage, ready to explode. The first thing I'm getting here is that somebody who you possibly had a sexual connection with in the past is really upset that you've moved on and that you're happy. And they're feeling like they can't come towards you, but they want to. All right? Anyways, let's keep going. We've got main female. This could be somebody, we got journey. This could be somebody who's with somebody already. Okay, this is someone who's with a karmic feminine. All right? So you may have met somebody new, or you're in the market to start dating. Whatever the case is for you, this person is like desiring you sexually and also really freaking pissed, but they're in a relationship. So that's what we got going on so far. Imprisonment. This person like is highly lusting after you, and they feel like they can't get to you. Why? Because some of them are married, okay? Or some of them are in a relationship. This is wild, man. This is like, and this person's energy comes up a lot. It's unbridled, raw, sexual energy. Someone who cannot control their desires for you. I mean, in all honesty, I feel like every woman wants that in a way, but they want someone who's available, right? Not someone who's in a relationship. We got toil and labor. Someone could have popped up at your freaking job. All right. What is this coffin? Thoughts. One more. Oops. Damn. Main male. All right. So this main male may also be concerned. This is this person from your past who's in a karmic relationship. You got your main male, your main female. These are these nerds that whatever. I don't even really know truthfully what they have going on, but it sucks. So this main male may also be concerned that other people are sexually attracted to you. Okay? They're definitely afraid of you being in a new relationship. They're afraid of you being courted and being in a new relationship. This is somebody who's in a relationship with someone else. All right? It's coming out with pause, timing. What is this rage about? What is this rage? Official person, distant horizons, courtship, mature man, privileged lady. Get one more. Damn, these cards falling all over the place. Adjudication, message. I don't know. Let's keep going. They're mad about something. I don't know if they're mad because they're trying to leave this feminine and it's like they can't communicate with you. They're definitely thinking about you. They're also thinking about the fact that you have proof of some toxic ass shit that they were trying to get you involved in. Okay? Today, agreement, compromise, divine masculine, interview, legal, court paperwork filed, keeping notes, entrapment, bounty hunter. All right. What is this main male's deal besides being a weirdo? House, mature man, mature woman, okay. Poverty. So you got this couple. This is their image, is what I'm getting, okay? This is the image that this couple, this is a main male and a main female. They're a karmic couple, like page energy. They really are not good energy. The mature man and the mature woman, I get a lot of the time is like king or queen energy, not necessarily emperor or empress, but at least king or queen energy. That's what these people want to be perceived as in the community, okay? As this mature, prestigious couple. They're not. They're actually in poverty, okay? And they do weird stuff. I don't know what, but all right, let's see. Anything else here? What is this deal? Date, meeting someone new, dating, getting back out there, wedding rings, union, wedding, married, soul connection, eternal love, everlasting promise. You could be meeting somebody new, kisses, unconditional loving, giving and receiving, affection, falling in love, keys on a ring, many options, decision, unconventional, string along, one night stand, and then bottom of the deck, looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, making new memories. So anyways, you may be getting ready to start dating someone else. Some of you may already be dating someone else. This is someone you're taking seriously, or you're at least in the market to start dating, to take someone seriously. This person was keeping their options open. I don't know what their situation is. I don't know if it's an open marriage, or I don't know. They're not committed to the person that they're with at all. I don't know if they were trying to get you to be a side piece, and they're regretting that now. They're definitely thinking about you, and they're pissed about the idea of you meeting somebody new. It really doesn't add up or make sense, to be honest with you. Boat, receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. This person doesn't want to let you go. They're having closure issues. I don't feel like you are. If you're in the market to meet someone new or start dating, then you're not worried about this person. We've got healthy choices and abundance. Keep a positive mindset. Manifest exactly what you want. Gratitude, bliss, making healthy choices in love and life. Self-love, self-care, being happier. This is you. All right? You're taking care of yourself. Sword and rose, clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, power, addiction, codependent, obsession, possession, controlling, has a block, restraint. Okay? This person is like addicted to controlling you while they're in another relationship with somebody else. Okay? So anyways, some of you have already met this new person and are already getting to know this person. If not, this is somebody who you're going to meet soon. All right, let's keep going. Let's see. We've got coffee cup, meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, friendship. Some of you could be meeting new friends. Some of you may have a friend in your life who is romantically interested in you. Dragonfly, be lighthearted, finding out things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Okay, there's going to be some kind of communication coming in. Whoa. We got lightning, sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, transformation. And then bottom of the deck, separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure future. Okay. So maybe one of this person's friends are getting ready to come in and talk to you. I don't know. Let's see. Let's keep going. Hook up, one night stand. Damn, I'm tired of these cards falling. Cheating, broken trust. Maybe this person cheated on you with one of your friends or somebody that you know. Okay. Between the lines, looks for what's hidden. I'm sorry. Regrets. The fuck? Someone wants to apologize for cheating on you, maybe sleeping with one of your friends. Like, what? We got grass is greener, lightning, sudden change, shocking news, surprise epiphany, upheaval, transformation. Grass is greener, faded connection, or faded meaning, important connection missing you. This person cheated on you, possibly with a friend or somebody very close to you. You may have found out about it and just like moved on with your life and met somebody who you're actually fated to be in a relationship with, and this person's missing you. You know what they're missing? This. See that word, those two words at the bottom, safety and comfort. This is what you brought into this person's life. You made this person feel safe. They knew they could trust you. They knew that you would never do them wrong. And then they did you wrong. And now this person's feeling like an idiot. Of course they're missing you. Okay? Yeah, we got freedom, surrender, intimacy, bonding, ex-lover, family, sex, good time, courage, crossroads. I feel like this, I don't want to make assumptions, but it comes out quite a bit in the cards where it's like, it's almost like this compromise home, marriage, foundation, home. It's almost like this person, person's partner knows that they go outside. Like it's like an agreement between them. Okay? I don't know if this person told you about this or not. Probably not. We got lies, keeping secrets, heartbreak, shattered, regrets, safety. This person sucks. Anyways, let's keep going. Let's see. Divine timing, be patient while things are unfolding. This connection is worth the wait. Hopefully this is a new connection. Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Get one more. Be optimistic. Keep in mind that you create your reality. You can't attract love with a negative mindset. Make the effort. This love is worth taking a risk. Taking risks. You are called to move forward. And then you've got reconciliation. Stay optimistic. Love your shadow. Be honest. Reaching your goal. Balance. Forgive and release. Keep the door open. Yeah. Let's keep going. So anyways, this person from your past wants to come back. This is someone who cheated on you or lied to you. Oh my gosh. You can't make it up. I'm sorry, but I just said you that this person's like partner knows this. It's an open relationship. This person's in an open relationship and they didn't tell you this. Okay? All right, what else? The devil's in the details. Anything else here? Whoa. Restraining order. Open communication. Got false twin flame. Pictures, notes, details. Chameleon. Road trip. Giving. In the dark. It's like this person, we got divine intervention. This person may have picked up people on the road and stuff. Like, I don't mean like off the side of the road. Now, I don't know. But what I'm thinking is like business trips, okay? It's like they would go on the road for business trips and kind of pick people up. We got New York coming out. New York can be significant for some of you. You could live there. This could be somewhere this person visits for work. Sending you a text message. Where those came out over here. Corrupt business establishment. Got prayer. Emotional involvement. Karmic family member. We got friends with benefits. Someone's going to jail or spiritual jail. Sagittarius. There could be a Sagittarius involved. Either one of your family members or this person's family members are involved. They may have had like an emotional affair, probably physical too, with someone else. False police report, creating something out of nothing. I don't know. Let's keep going. Okay. Gossip, talking behind your back. So you got someone gossiping about you. That's cool. Libra, this could be a Libra, or you could be a Libra. There could be some kind of justice coming in this situation. It could have been something that was said back in late September, early October, or anytime in October in Libra season. Guarded, afraid to love, protecting the heart. Bottom of the deck here, Taurus. There could be a Taurus involved. You could be a Taurus, or someone else could be a Taurus. Let's see. We've got fate, saving. Somebody's getting readings on you. Idea. Someone was getting readings on you and came up with like some kind of idea that had to do with saving money. But this is based on what you're doing. We've got triumph, achievement, commitment, obstruction. Somebody here was trying to stop you from achieving something. What is this idea? Alliance. Someone was... Yes, they're okay. Who the hell is this third wheel? Desire, worth, extravagance. Oh, there's justice again. Strategy. Who is this? Thoughts. Occupation. Official person, great fortune. Someone knows that someone was getting readings on you about you and knowing that you have a divine masculine and that when the two of you guys come into union, you're going to like be very successful. So someone tried to align with you or you and your masculine or just your masculine to try. They wanted your money. They wanted your inheritance. It's disturbing as fuck. We got pride and curse, ego, hate. Someone wanted to keep you in a state of being guarded. Memory, fright, disturbance. Could be, yeah, marriage, origin, confinement. You may have felt very trapped with this person if they were trying to make you a third wheel in their relationship. And then it's like they found out that you were going to meet somebody. Yeah, battle. Sweet revenge. Rage. Competition. Boss babe. Money over love. Dreaming of you. Shaken up. Damn, like this person. Here's sex again. Lawyer. All talk. Not making a move. Pisces. Sliding in your DMs. There could be a Pisces involved here. Secrets. Mistakes. Social media influencer. Worried. Anxious. It could be a Capricorn involved. What is this? Lawyer. Sex. No action. Traitor. Betrayed. Broken promise. We can try again. You know the ending. This is somebody who betrayed you once and they'll betray you again. I would not trust this individual. This person from your past that wants you back. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what else. Can we get some new energy up in here? Bonding. As you get to know each other, you discover many things in common. Hopefully some of you are bonding with someone new. This past person needs to get the hell out of this energy. Honest communication. Expect a heart-to-heart conversation. Someone wants to talk to you, okay? They want to be honest with you. They want to talk feelings. We got love language, acts of service, actions speak louder than words. And we've got responsibilities, romance interrupted, duties come first. This definitely could be someone that you work with. Burning desire, flames of passion ignite. What is this bonding? Got Knight of Pentacles. Someone, this is like a slow burn here. Something was moving slow. And you may have either you or somebody else. I don't know if this like this past masculine. I don't even want to talk about this bastard. Yeah, this past person, you weren't moving fast enough for them in some way. There was some kind of department, whether this is financially, sexually, there's something like they had these unspoken expectations about you moving faster than you were willing to move in some certain area. And this person, instead of communicating with you, just betrayed you because there was someone else who was willing to move fast in that area. Don't know what that is necessarily. We got Queen of Wands, Emperor. Seven of Swords. The fuck is all this? Courage, confidence, inner power, strength. There could be a Leo involved, Star. Could be Aquarius involved. King of Wands, Queen of Wands, Emperor, Seven of Swords, Eight of Cups. What is this Devil? Codependency. Someone was codependent. What is this? Seven of Swords. Hierophant. Page of Swords. Page of Cups. Something about kids, maybe? I don't know. Let's keep going. This past person wants to talk to you. The Moon. They may want to talk to you about if they have kids, something about their kids. The Fool. Five of Cups. Twin Flames. Two of Wands. Two of Cups. Ten of Wands. Knight of Wands. Death. Ten of Swords. Your past person cannot stop desiring you. They don't want to leave you alone. They want to come back in. They want to have a conversation with you about something that they why they stayed in that relationship or what happened. Something wasn't moving fast enough. They were at a stalemate of some sorts. I don't know. You're just going to have to wait to hear what this person has to say, but they can't stop thinking about you. And there's not a new person in the energy, so I can't talk about them. I wish they were. We got protection, cut ties, spiritual gifts, intuition. Okay, you're being protected at this time, either by cutting ties or because someone else is cutting ties right now. Continue to use your intuition here in this situation. We've got the Ace of Cups. You've got a new beginning in love that's being protected right now. Ten of Pentacles. Ace of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. Your new beginning in love is protected. Your legacy is protected. Knight of Cups. We got King of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Damn, there are a lot of masculine energies that want you. Six of Cups. Six of Swords. Five of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Queen of Swords, the Sun. There's a King of Pentacles that wants you. There's a Knight of Pentacles that wants you. There's a Knight of Cups that wants you. And there's someone from your past who wants you. So you may have to cut some ties depending on who these people are and how they fit into your life. The Moon, the Magician. Someone here is manifesting you. This is somebody who is a magician, a healthy magician. They have spiritual gifts. I don't know who the hell they are. We got Strength. Could be a Leo. With the Lovers. Six of Swords. Someone wants to bring a connection to calmer waters. I think the most important thing here is using your intuition for sure. Knowing that you're being protected. You're going to have to make a decision. Okay? And this may have to do with your almost like you're going to have to make sure that you are really following your heart and not your body parts, okay? If you're a man, your wands. If you're a woman, the parts of you that you know, your sexual parts. That's so bad. Anyways, that's going to almost be what is the difference here. And it's almost like if you don't pay close attention to, is this about sex or is this about love? Where does my heart want to be? Okay? Is basically what I'm getting at. Don't look at the situation as it's fun, it's exciting, there's so much sexual chemistry. Sexual chemistry is not going to mean shit when it comes to making the wrong decision here. Just because you have sexual chemistry with someone doesn't mean that you have love with that person. And just because you have love with somebody doesn't mean that you have sexual chemistry with that person. You have to have both. So really keep that in mind. Reveal what needs to be seen. This is last quarter moon in Scorpio. There needs to be love and sexual attraction. Unleash your kindest self. First quarter moon in Capricorn. And first quarter moon in Virgo. Assess the situation. Yeah, definite intuition. Full moon in Pisces. Forgive. This person from your past at least wants to come in and apologize. You don't have to take them back, but it may do you good for your future just to maybe accept their apology and kind of move on if this isn't someone that you want to be in a relationship with. And if you do, that option, you know, at least, I don't know if this person will present that option or not, but communicate, synchronicity. Somebody's going to be communicating with you. They could do this during the full moon or around the full moon. We've got cleansing. Use kind words is what I'm hearing. Use kind words. Take a risk and face your fears. If some of you are afraid to have a conversation with this person because you're afraid that they're going to bring some kind of drama to you, you don't have to accept that. It's almost like you need to kind of assess their demeanor. There's been a message coming out the last few days about letting the other person talk. You may want to just kind of sit back and let this person talk. Maybe they just feel the need to get some stuff off their chest. Okay? I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I do know that this past person wants to come back in. Aromatherapy, some of you need to I don't know, get some essential oils or something. We got plan a vacation. Some of y'all need to take a trip. Take a plane ride somewhere. Use your hands. Some of you need to build something, create something, take a walk. Some of you need to get outside and get some fresh air. All right, let's get an angel number here. 444, protection. Get ready for the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling. Put your energy into going towards your ambitions, and the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. All right. What else? We've got, you are feeling somewhat confused by the events that are unfolding around you and the various seemingly contradictory information that are coming your way. Trust your instincts and do what they are telling you to do, and you will learn a lot about yourself and the direction you want to take your life. This has been coming out a lot. All right, we've got stand tall and strong. Today I choose to remain positive. I face all of my challenges with strength and courage. I will not be denied or turned away. I do not allow myself to be carried away by negative thoughts. I stand tall and strong and live each moment in joy and peace, leaving my future in God's hands. I believe in life because life believes in me. Okay? So keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Trust in the divine plan. Trust in the divine guidance. Use your intuition. Know that you're protected. If there's like this impending conversation that needs to happen with you and this past person, there's a reason for that. A favorable outcome. Thank you for the beautiful outcome to this situation, which is perfect and fair for everyone involved. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for helping me trust and have faith. There's a conversation that needs to happen with this past person. All right. Explore your options. Dear God, thank you for your wisdom and love, helping me see, understand, and assess all of my alternative options. Please guide me in the best direction for my health, happiness, and life purpose. It's really good. I like that a lot. I feel like when this person does come in, it's the conversation's going to lead to something good. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. This is full moon in Pisces. We're going to read this to close out this reading. Full moon in Pisces. Here we go. Have you been so head in the clouds that you've lost touch with reality? If so, take this card as a sign that you need to pay attention and make a concerted effort to move toward your goals. The more practical steps you can take, the better. It's time to find an inner balance between your responsibilities and your dreams. Meditate on your question, and the solutions to your issue may now come through very clearly. If you're in a tricky situation because you've been acting the martyr, this card will be a message from the cosmos to drop the act for everyone's sake. The teaching, Pisces is the last sign of the zodiac, so the full moon in Pisces symbolically marks endings. When the moon is full in Pisces, or whenever you pull this card, it's a time to dive deep into your emotions. Practicality is at odds with the numinous Piscean energies that have no borders, so feel your way now. Psychic ability is heightened when the full moon is in Pisces, and soulmates now connect. It's also a time to send out your dreams to the universe, releasing your fears. Okay. There's going to be some kind of compromise here. I don't know, but I'm interested. I'm interested to find out how this conversation goes. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this message. If you did, please press the like and subscribe button. I'll see you during the next reading. Take care.